Hey, I need your help. Quick video and also an all points bulletin. I want to demonstrate the molder for you, but I need a table insert for the Sawsmith 2000. I have a saw insert. I do not have the molder insert. I don't have the dado insert. I could get away with the dado insert. My original thought was, well, heck, I'll just make a new one. Problem is they're crazy thin, and so making them out of wood isn't practical. Well, the other option is, well, you could just use no insert and lay a piece of masonite over the top. Well, it turns out that's a little too flimsy for my liking, especially for what we need to do. So there's my request. If you happen to have a molder or a dado insert for a Sawsmith 2000, if you'd like to sell it, I'd love to buy it. If you just would like to loan it, I'd be happy to send it back to you. Let me know. Anyway, this is something that I got some really interesting things to share with you, but I'm at a bit of a standstill. Plus, I have no time. Hope you're doing well and make it a great day. What I want to show you is I want to show you the use of the Shopsmith molder and how that varies from the shaper. Why am I blinking so much? I don't know. I think I got something in my eyes.